Good evening, everybody. In this video, we'll continue our activities in general aptitude test. This question: how many even integer numbers are between 2 over 5 and 56 over 5? First of all, we have to write this as a mixed number. As you know that 12 here, 12 over 5, it's equal to what? It's equal to 2 and 2 over 5. That means it's 2 and 2 over 5. And 56 over 5, it's equal to 11 and 1 over 5. So we need the all even numbers between. We have to take 2, okay, because it's outside here, and 11. So the numbers here between them, the odd, the even. After 2 we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, and we have 10. So we have 4 numbers, as you see, so the answer is equal to 4. Now the measure of the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to, as we know here, if we have the equilateral triangle, that means all sides are equal. All sides here are equal. That means I have to divide, if it's all sides are equal, all angles also are equal. The 3 angles, the sum of them is equal to 180. That means each angle is equal to 60. Here 60, here is 60, and here is 60. So if I make it as exterior angle, this is an exterior angle. We know that the sum of these 2 angles is adjacent, it's collinear, that means it's 180. So if subtract 180 minus 60, that means is equal to 120. So the answer is equal to B. Now, if the sixth of the number equals to 25% of number 12, then what is the number? So here, that's mean 1 over 6, if we can make it like this, times x, which is the number, it's equal to 25%, which is 25, we can make it over 100 times 12. If we simplify, 25 by 25 is 1, and 100 by 25 is 4. That's mean 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So 1 over x, 1 over 6x, which is the number, is equal to what? It's equal to 3. If I multiply both sides by reciprocal, which is 6 over 1, and here I multiplied by 6 over 1, so this is multiplied, sorry. Now 6 divided by 6 is 1, so x is equal to 6 times 3, which is 18. So the answer here is 18. Now I want to compare between the value of a, which is 40% of 60, and 30% of 80. We can do it as the same, which is 40% of 60. That means 40 over 100, because it's a percent over 100, times what? Times 60. Okay, now I can simplify 2 zeros by up with 2 zeros by below, because I divide by 100. Then 4 times 6 is equal to 24. The same thing if this is A. If I go to B and do the same, here's 30 over 100, because it's 30%. I make it as a fraction over 100, times 80. The same thing I can simplify 2 0 up with 2 0 down. That means I divide by 100. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24 also. So the both sides are the same, so the two values are equal. Okay, Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. Today we start with the lecture number 7 for General Aptitude Test. Now, if x plus 2y equals to 3 and x squared minus 4y squared equals to 21, then what is x minus 2y? As you see here, that x squared minus 4y squared, it's the difference between square. That means we know that x squared minus 4 y squared, that's it's equal to, if I factorize it, it's the difference between the two squares, which is x minus 2y times x plus 2y. All of this is equal to what? Equal to 21. Now I replace x plus 2y by 3. That's mean x minus 2y times 3, it's equal to what? To 21. Then I divide both sides by 3. I divide the other side by 3. As we know, 3 divided 3 is 1. Now, x minus 2y, it's equal to what? 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the answer here is B. In this way, this is need a very focus. Why? Because we have to use the Pythagorean theorem and we have to use another formula of the 30-60 triangle. So here, as you see, this is a right triangle, and here is the hypotenuse is 15 and one of the leg is 9, so we have to find AD to get AB and DB. As you know here, so here to find ADs, that's mean AD square as Pythagorean theorem plus 9 square, that has to be equal to what? To the 15 square. Now that's mean AD square plus 81, it's equal to 15 square, 15 times 15, 225. Then we subtract 81 from both sides, minus 81. 81 minus 81, it's become 0. So here is AD square, it's equal to what? To 225 minus 81, it's equal to 144. Now we have to take the square root of both sides. That's mean AD, it's equal to positive square root because it's a length. I don't need to take the negative square root. So square root here, or sorry, here of 144, it's equal to 12. So here AD is equal to 12. Now as we know that AD is the opposite of 30. Okay, we know that in the our rule, if this is 30 and this is right triangle and this is 60, that's mean if the opposite side is A, that's mean the hypotenuse it's the doubled, and the opposite of 60 it's become A, the same thing, times square root of 3. So this is the opposite, which is 12. Now that's mean the hypotenuse is equal to the double, which is 24. And this is 30, and this is a right triangle also, so this is become 60. So the opposite of 60 is equal the same thing, which is 12 times square root of what? Of 3. Now if I want to find the perimeter, that means I have to add all the sides. So the perimeter is equal now to 24 plus 15 plus 9 plus 12 square root of 3. So if you add 24 plus 15 plus 9, that means it's become 48. So the answer is 48. Sorry, the answer here is 48 plus 12 square root of 3. So here, as you see, the answer is become what? C. Thank you very much.